Manhattan goes Hollywood. For me, it's new. Let me know if you have heard about this. Drop me a comment below and let me know about this cocktail. So let's get started. Take your raw glass. If you don't have this glass, you can use any glass that you want at home. So keep it aside. All you need is take a shaker, fill it with ice. Add 90 ml of the gold tequila. You can use any preferred tequila you want when it comes to the gold color. So I'll be using Suze Cueros, so you can use anyone. So let's go. Let's get started. All you need is 90 ml of tequila. So that's going to be strong. Wow, that's something. A teaspoon of maple syrup and 4 dash of orange bitters. Take your bar spoon and give it a stir. Take a large cube of ice, put it in the glass, and make sure you pour everything over it. To complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. I'll be using orange zest, or you can use orange peel, so whichever one you like. So let's go with the orange zest. There you go. That's your Manhattan goes Hollywood. Wow, this is so cool. Guys, it's really strong and it's got a unique flavor of maple syrup and orange bitters. You gotta try this. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And please don't forget to drop me a comment below if you have any questions or any cocktails that you want me to do. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, thanks for now. And cheers. Until next time.